Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Brooke from Brooke's Cookies here with another Cookiepalooza 2020. What I have here is an Icebox cookie. These hopefully are going to be anise scented fig and date swirls. So what I did was I actually made the dough yesterday and I rolled it just like a jelly roll into a log and left it in the fridge overnight. I've never made this recipe before, so who knows how it's going to turn out. It's going to be a surprise for everybody. So a couple of things to let you know about really quick is before I start slicing this, because this is a slice and bake thing, make sure you have a very large surface that's clean to work on. And for me, because this is a cutting board, I of course put a wet kitchen towel underneath it, because this way it's not going anywhere. So no matter what you're doing, it's going to stay in place. So what I do is I first actually cut off the end, and this goes to the chef, and hopefully that should look like a swirl. Ta-da! And then I just slice the rest, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye!